Hello there, my name's Daryl Hammond. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I started this channel to document my journey into online entrepreneurship. Back when I started, I didn't know a whole lot. I kind of just jumped into this thing and I didn't do my due diligence. And if you know what due diligence is, it's looking at things, doing some research, getting an idea of what needs to be done to accomplish what you're setting out to do. And so when I first started, I watched some YouTube videos and I got the bug. I got bit by the online business bug. And so I signed up for a bunch of different training things. Anything that sounded interesting, I jumped in and started doing it, and I didn't have a plan. And so this channel is kind of to document my journey as I go along in this process. And hopefully for you, the benefit will be that you'll get to learn from my mistakes. A wise man learns from his mistakes, but a wiser man learns from the mistakes of others. And so I hope you'll be wiser than I and learn from my mistakes. I'm going to be throwing a whole bunch of different types of videos on here. Right now there's a lot of product review videos, but we're going to be doing a lot of tutorial videos, some mindset videos. So make sure you subscribe, ring that notification bell, so when I do post a video, you'll get notified. There's email address if you'd like to contact me. It's down below the channel. And you can see there are links to my website, my Facebook page. So basically, welcome to the channel. So I appreciate you stopping by. I hope you learned something by watching my videos. And remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. You'll never get anywhere if you don't take that first step. So let's take that step together and let's journey on to accomplish what we've set out to do and realize the success that we want. Thanks again. See you later.